Okay then. Do you know the rules?
I think I get the gist of it.
Have a seat. I've got a spare character for you.
It says here that I'm a journalist reviewing games for computers.
Yeah. A computer is like a magic box where...
I know. I work for What PC Games magazine.
That's right. You have no sense of humour whatsoever.
Oi, that's fighting talk, that is.
Your character, I mean.
You mean that I give games 69% because it's an amusing score?
I can see you've got the hang of this already.
Okay, where do we start?
Well, we might as well jump into a fight straight away.
I don't approve, you know.
Don't worry. I'm a dead shot with a BFG.
You haven't got a BFG.
What does BFG mean, anyway?
Big foot. Yes. I think we all suspect the answer to this one.
Okay, everyone roll the dice.
Seven. Damn. Four.
Too typical.
What are we fighting?
Didn't I say?
No.
An interior decorator. 4th class.
Oh!
Do you mind if I use my own dice?
Go ahead. You've hit him. Now roll again for damage.